Hey y'all, Aaron at Cross Jeep here. Behind me is one of the coolest Gladiators we have on the lot. Let's go check it out. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, y'all, we are fortunate to have an in-house team here that can do different builds and upgrades for us on Gladiator or Wrangler. This one is a 2025 Gladiator Rubicon here in Anvil, an absolutely beautiful color, very, very pleasant to the eyes. This one, we've done a 2-inch AEV spacer lift and upgraded to KMC wheels here, and then 37-inch tires on top of that. So it's got a really, really nice stance to it, sits up taller, and those wheels and the Anvil exterior go really well together. Take a look around the rest of it. Rock rails on here to protect the body. And with the Gladiator, it's basically, as I often say, the look of a Wrangler with the practicality of a truck bed. Bedliner is already sprayed in from the factory. There's towing as well. Throw some mulch back there. Your Home Depot trips, you know, get something from there and throw it back in the truck bed. The matching painted fenders gives it a really, really pretty look, and you have the black hard top. Top is removable, doors are removable. It comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, putting out 285 horsepower. Got LEDs up front and an iconic 7-slot grille. Let's take a quick look at the interior here, y'all. Got comfortable cloth seats, slush mats, nice and sturdy for the floor, and then proximity entry. You can keep your key fob in your pocket or purse. Rubicon stitched into the back, very, very off-road capable. We have a test track way back there, and this will do just fine on that test track. Premium wrap steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. You have dual climate, so if your passenger likes a little colder or warmer than you, not a problem. Power windows, USB ports, locking front and rear axle, sway bar disconnect again. Very, very off-road capable. Nice big 12.3-inch screen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, nice sharp backup camera. Side curtain airbags come standard, gives you extra peace of mind just in case. One more look from the outside, y'all. Again, very, very fortunate that we can do these kind of things in-house, pick out different wheels to upgrade to, bigger tires, do the spacer lift, and that is one good-looking Gladiator. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like the video and feel free to share. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next one.